Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Money. It's September 19th. Just one economic news release today, and that is the leading indicators for the month of August. So back in July, we had looked like the economy was picking up about 1.1%, and it simmered down a little bit in the month of August, reporting at 0.2%. So this kind of gives us a gauge as to future projections of where the economy is moving, and those projections came a little bit lower in the month of August. So that's what a lot of times when the Fed met, they're kind of resistance about maybe pulling the plug too soon on keeping interest rates low, because if they pull it too soon, maybe we could have the opposite effect. So that's one reason why I think Yellen is going ahead and keeping the interest rates low to kind of because we are just still kind of going up a little bit. Our trade partners like China and them in Europe have been struggling a little bit. We need them to be able to make sure we're more on a firm footing where the economy needs to be. We can't do it by ourselves since it's more of a global economy these days. So, anyways, let's go ahead and take a look here. We've got the stock market. It's mixed. The stock market started off actually earlier this morning upwards, but since then they pulled back a lot. Dow's barely above in profit or in green, whereas the other Nasdaq and the S&P 500 dipped below. Also, one of the news that came out was Scotland cast their vote and decided to remain part of the UK. Not a huge effect on the market, but it does eases concerns that maybe it may have any bearing in the UK for their GDPs and their economy and stuff. Bond market here, we're showing a little improvement. So we did start off lower this morning, and since the pullback on the stock market has been going more into the mortgage-backed securities or the bonds, we're seeing an improvement in the interest rates so far this morning. So nice news. So depending on when you had your pricing, East Coast would have had probably worse pricing this morning. West Coast here, where we're located here in California, interest rates, you're seeing a better pricing by the time they can release their pricing. So pricing has improved since then. And East Coast would have pricing for the better. All right, folks. So let's head into the weekend. Enjoy ourselves. Have a great weekend, and I look forward to see you guys on Monday. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great weekend. Take care.